Mishra. I am doing BTech in the field of IT. So, this is my internship from Future Ready Talent provided by Microsoft. In this internship, I have already completed my user profile, self based learning, industry sessions, and I am doing now project and project synopsis. In the project, I have made a gaming blog website. So, I will show you what is it. So, it is opening. It is a gaming vlog website where people can watch games, learn about games, what are the new games upcoming. They can eager watch it and do by so. This is a clearly website for gamers, and I have added a health bot in it also. So here you can get the list of many games. Okay, so to make this website I have used two Azure services. Mainly first Azure services that I have used is our static web services. You can simply select static web services from the home part. You go to home, create a new resource you can create, and type here static web services, static web app. After going to the static web app, go into this option of create and static web app. You can simply create by adding your GitHub repository to it, as I have added mine. You can create a project, as I have already created a static web app, so I don't need to do. I have shown you my Azure static web app. Firstly, I have to go to the home. Here is my static web app. Basically, it is for gaming part, so it is my gaming Zen app. It is made on the resource group, that is my group known as FRT project. I have created this static web app and hosted by this URL. It is very simple. Basically, static web app is a service provided by the Microsoft Azure that allows you to easily deploy and host static websites and web application. With Azure Static Web Apps, you can deploy your static website or web application directly from Git repository or GitHub. So basically, the key features that static web app provides you is continuous deployment, serverless API integration. You don't need to have a server for host your website. It is very easy to host your website. Like, I simply click on this link after I created my static website, and it will open your website that you have made directly from your GitHub repository. It is very simple to do so. Second, I have also used my second web host services, that is HealthBot. I have attached in it. You can simply go to my website and click on HealthBot. After clicking on HealthBot, it will open a bot. It is the second service that I have used, as I also mentioned in my uh, uh, in my internship. You can say that healthbot and static web apps, these are the primarily Azure technologies that I have used. So after you going to the static web apps, you can easily implement using Azure healthbot. You can search, go to home, create a new resource simply, and search Azure health bot, Azure health bot. After giving the resource name and which resource name you have want to add it, I have already added in my FRT project resource name. You can create yours also. It is very simple to do it. For example, it is very simple to do it. For example, I have created my project 11. Here's the name of my bot that I have used for my FRT project. It is very easy. So, what does it bot do? You are thinking that. So, it is a simple bot. Here, you can type in this bot, hi, it will respond to you. Just see. Yeah, here it is response. You can simply type the command. It is for gamers who are feeling dizziness and anything about it. You can ask it. For example, I have asked him sudden weight loss. Sudden weight loss. It will give reply to me instantly like this. Would you like to report some symptoms? So I have symptoms. For example, I have symptom. I simply typed yes. Then it has asked for what is this you are a male or a female. So I have typed I am a male. Okay, then it allows you to enter your age. Please enter your age above 18. If you don't write age above your 18, it will not respond to you. For example, I have added 20. Okay, so it provide me what are the similar cases, that symptoms. of my symptom, what are the cases that I am facing. So for example, I have searched that stomach pain and fatigue. I click on that, and after continue, it will provide us more about the potential emergency situations what we can face. So here you can ask, simply ask and try to it give response to it. So I don't want to report it now, but you can report it too. So this is the chatbot that I have used. For example, how I implemented this chatbot in my GitHub repository. It is very simple. This is my GitHub repository of FRT project. So basically, this is my website where the people can know about games, launching new games, play games, download games, and anything. And health bot is provided too. So for example, I have added my health board in the index.html page, the main page. I have linked my health bot here. For example, just go till down here. Yeah, I have find it. So I have added healthbot.html. That is my healthbot link. Or I have also shown you that this is my headbot.html. I implemented using that iframe technique. It is the name of my bot, project 11, that you have seen. So I implemented two services of Microsoft Azure. First is Azure Health Bot. Second is Azure Static Web App. These are the services that I have used. So, for example, for making this website, I have used three languages. That are HTML, JavaScript, and CSS. You can also see that I have used three languages, and IDE that I used are the VS Code. VS Code is primarily used for uh, host this making this code for using this website. And the processes I also, while I used in deploying, is very simple. I have completed my project using VS Code on a live server extension. After that, I have installed Git on my system, and uploaded and committed project on my GitHub repository. The project was deployed and tested it. After I logged into Azure account of student, yes, I have used Microsoft Azure for student. You can easily get it in if you have any educational email. I have also used mine, Microsoft Azure, for students. Okay, you can implement using this. And after that, I have just added my health bot to it. And simply, I have added my health bot to it on my gaming website health also. After I use my static web services, my website Azure Static Web App Services, finally my website was deployed on the Azure app and ready to use. So it is very simple to use Azure Static Web App. For example, I am now showing you my code. These are the various codes that I've used for blog.html, contact.html, game.html, healthbot.html, that is my health bot, index.html, and single.html. Basically, the health bot provided by the Microsoft Azure is a simple is a cloud-based services that enables organization to create and employ intelligent AI-powered chatbots for healthcare-related purposes. It is designed to help healthcare organization and provide engage with patients and provide relevant health information and other personal assistance. So this is my whole website. Now I will show you various pages that I added in my website. For example, go to my GitHub repository simply, and wait a minute wait a minute go to my GitHub repository. I have to back up a little. So this is my GitHub repository. I have to open frt.project. Simply clicks on it, and then we go to the uh, gaming blog website link, or you can find it here also. Just simply click on it, it will open on my website. So these are the various pages that I have used in my website. Firstly, we have used homepage. Homepage is basically a gallery page where you can find the new dates of coming games, and that then it is a page where of you can play games and play games. There are different types of games. I have added some Superman game, GTA. You can find different types of games here. New games that are coming is also shown here. Old games, and this is various types of games are shown here. Okay, so now I will show you other types of things also. Now the blog website simply has the various newses about the upcoming games is stored in these blog games. Then contact, you can contact us by giving us feedbacks, and too much that little. Okay, then we have health bot. So it is you, I have already seen you. So these are the website that I made with Future Ready Talent. So I have concluded this my video by saying that thank you Future Ready Talent for giving me this opportunity. Thank you all. Have a nice day.